Here we have the 2012 Rheem commercial unit running. The model number is RAWE-122CAZ. Serial number is 8561F241206694. It has two fans on it. So over here it says Rheem Commercial Series. And over here is Carrier split system unit. Oh wait, this is ICP, that's right. The model number is CAE180HAA. Serial number is 2607G10062. That's currently off. But yeah, the 2012 Rheem Commercial Series unit is running, and the and the ICP split system unit is off. Over and out.